It's a room that's full of nothing, no blood underneath your skin. You're faced against the wind.